Hello friends, how are you? And in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A03s microphone not working problem. So if you're facing microphone not working while calling or while recording something in Samsung Galaxy A03s, so simply first of all just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. And to fix this problem in Samsung Galaxy A52s, simply first of all just tap on settings and then watch complete video and do the same as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.